Are you struggling to write an attention-grabbing personal bio for your social media accounts or professional profiles? Look no further than the personal bio template on BrainPod AI Writer. With just a few simple inputs, you can generate a personalized and engaging bio in seconds. Whether you prefer a professional, friendly, or even witty tone, our AI technology has got you covered. Simply input your personal information, select your desired tone of voice, and choose whether to write in first person or third person. These examples are entirely optional. You can create your content in multiple languages as well. Then, with a single click of the Generate AI Content button, your personalized bio is ready to use. If you ever get a result you do not like, you can use the Reclaim Token feature to reclaim your tokens and not be charged for that output. It's that easy. Don't waste any more time struggling with writer's block. Try out the personal bio template on BrainPod AI Writer today.